Shirley Bauer, and to Pete Greenwood for having us back yet another year. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Our soloist for the last number, Mr. Jake Shaper. This is a Billy Joel tune.
If you said goodbye to me tonight, there would still be music left to write. What else would I do? I'm so inspired by you. That hasn't happened for the longest time. Once I thought my innocence was gone. Now I know that happiness goes on. That's where you found me, when you put your arms around me. I haven't been there for the longest time. Oh, for the longest time. Oh, for the longest time. I'm that voice you're hearing in the hall, and the greatest miracle of all. I said to myself, hold on to your heart. Now I know the woman that you are. You're wonderful so far, and it's more than I hoped for. Who knows how much further we'll go on? Maybe I'll be sorry when you're gone. I'll take my chances. I've got all nice romances. Maybe this won't last very long, but you feel so right, and I could be wrong. Maybe I've been hoping too hard, but I've come this far, and it's more than I hoped for. I don't care what consequence it brings. I have been a fool for lesser things. I want you so. Whoa, for the longest time. 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 All day long, watching